Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to reprogram a Minka Aire ceiling fan remote when it stops working or won't connect to your fan. Minka Aire remotes use radio frequency signals, not infrared, which means they communicate with a receiver hidden inside the fan housing near the ceiling. Reprogramming is usually needed after changing batteries, installing a new remote, or when signal interference occurs. Before starting, always confirm your remote matches your fan system, because Minka Aire uses two incompatible types, 256-bit and 32-bit remotes. The most reliable method uses the Learn button. First, turn off power to the fan at the circuit breaker. Locate the Learn button on both the remote and the receiver. Press and hold them together for a few seconds, then press any remote button. If the light blinks, pairing is successful. If your model doesn't have a Learn button, use the Stop button method. Turn the breaker off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Within 1 minute, press and hold the Stop button. The fan light blinking confirms pairing. For homes with multiple fans, you can set a unique frequency using the numbered buttons inside the remote. After changing the number combination, restore power and hold the Stop button to lock in the signal. If pairing still fails, replace the batteries and contact Minka Aire support for help.